Hi there, 7th graders, Mr. Kerr here, and we're going to do a quick video on week 7, GDP, Gross Domestic Product versus Social Progress Index. Here's your suggested schedule for this week, and as we get going, as usual, on a Monday, you should take the quiz as a pre-test. You should go into your grades and look at your grade book and review the Start Here folder, of course. We are still in Unit 3, Economic Networks, and as we go into Week 7, GDP versus Social Progress. So start with the quiz, of course. Pretty short quiz here. Vocab definitions, and then our discussion board this week is Social Progress Index versus GDP, Gross Domestic Product per capita. So all that stuff will be very important as we get going into this week. As always, this is the suggested schedule. I suggest you stick through it Monday through Friday so that you can be all caught up by the weekend and have the weekend to yourself. If you are behind at all, please go back and get work done. Focus on this week first. This should be your priority, is getting the current week done. And then after that, then you can go back and get other work done. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. I will see those of you that come in on Wednesday. I will see you on campus. And with that, take care.